So, are you one of the thousands of people that want to be able to build your own fence, but you can't because you can't cut the saddles? Well, we can fix that. We're setting up videos to show people how to build their own fence, period, and nice too. Just like going up and down hills, you're always going to end up going up a hill. So look how that goes uphill off of this straight post. In order to get a nice looking fence, you always want your post straight, but these are built just like a U-joint that we patented, designed, and manufactured in the US. And see, that just goes right to the post, just like a U-joint. That rail goes uphill, and yep, we built the perfect fitting. So just like up on the top, and then you come over here, and where there's a gap and you'd have to try and figure out how to cut that angle, you don't have to do that no more. You just take the claw hammer and drive it over the end of the post, or over the end of that rail, and it just fits that post and it fits the rail. The rail's up and down, and you just weld it up. It's that simple. Thank you.